My name is Wanji Kongodo. I am 42 years old. I am a mother of three. I came from Kenya to Cardiff 14 years ago, and I live in Wrexham. The whole of North Wales is beautiful. It's green, it's lovely. The people of North Wales have a pride about their culture, and the Welsh language is very important to them. For me, language is very important. I speak Swahili and Kikuyu, which are my mother tongue, coming back from Kenya, and because I have so much pride in my language, I understand exactly where the Welsh people are coming from, and they show so much pride in their language. I get up at around 7 a.m. in the morning. I get my two young children ready for school, and we have breakfast, we get ready, we get into the car, and I drive them to school. It's the greatest accomplishment of my day, just to see them off school and to drive down to work. I work for an organization called BAOZO. We support victims of domestic violence who are from Black and ethnic minority groups, BME groups. I have a satisfaction of supporting these women because they come to us when they're very vulnerable, and it's nice to see them at the end of the support service. It's nice to see them at the end of the support that we've given them, living as independent individuals in the community and being proper members of the community where they belong. Registering to be a voter is very important. It puts you in place of being known, and it puts you in a place where you have the power in your hands to decide who your leaders are. This is the life that we lead. We're working hard, we're paying for taxes, we're doing a lot of things in the community. You want to ensure that the things that are being done for that community are the right things. Coming from a BME background, I know that a lot of people will think, oh, there's no point voting, it's not our country, we belong somewhere else, but this is where we live, this is where our children's future is. The life that we live in our communities is determined by the politics of the day. So when you have the right politicians in place, you know they're going to make the right decisions for you. I encourage BME people to vote because by voting, they determine their future. By voting, they determine who is going to take them forward, and their vote counts.